I am not looking forward to this because if you've been paying attention, every time Beyonce do something involving weather, some strange shit happens with the weather in real life, okay? Now, I'm not here to brag, but I am here to say I told y'all so. On this previous video I did expressing concerns about Beyonce showing snow in her Netflix special promo, I told you guys that she has a habit of predictive weather programming. Isn't it snowing in New Orleans and Texas now? Two places that Beyonce is highly affiliated with? Y'all gonna learn. Not everybody is crazy. Let's talk in the comments.